today is Work It Wednesday.
Sweet, and hi, my name's Amelia, and today we're gonna be doing some bruschetta. It'll be really fun.
Yes.
So Lan, how do we do this? How do we get started?
We had some reject tomatoes, right? And this one is also a dried up bell pepper. We have some basil and some garlic chive flour. So what we're gonna do is put it together. First thing first, how to cut through all the gunk and get to the good part.
Okay.
So you feel it, wherever there's firmness, okay? That's where you want to go with.
And I feel like these, not like top quality tomatoes are perfect for the bruschetta because it like actually makes it a little bit more, adds a little bit of moisture and flavor, and I like that.
Exactly. It's quite ripe, right?
Yeah.
And because it's so ripe, it practically needs to be part of a dish.
Absolutely.
Instead of standing alone.
This is
so we cut up the tomato. So that's one. And see this thing? We are actually going to save it for something else. I will talk about that later. So we're going to cut in pieces. Okay? And the bell pepper, same way. See how it's all kind of wrinkly and dried out? We're going to cut the top off. Cut the bottom off. Set it aside. Cut through the middle.
Still some good juicy meat there.
Exactly. And we'll take that off to the side. Use everything that you have. That's my philosophy. You gotta use everything that you have.
Means more food.
And the best thing to do with these is just slice it by sliding your knife through it.
Looks good.
It's a lot faster, and it's great for those vegetables that are overripe. Okay? We do another one for this one. See over here? It's kind of bruised there. I'm going to empty it out the bottom, inside. And I'm going to slice it.
Looks good. Those look nice and juicy and yums.
And quite ripe and sweet. So we're going to put it all together in here. We're going to take our basil. Right? Grab a bunch of it.
Just picked that today.
Yes, just picked it up today. We're going to just grab it and strip it with our hands.
This looks great, Lan.
Thank you.
My mouth's
What you're going to find is that the basil add a certain hint of herby sweetness to it. And that's what you want to do. Okay?
Italian flavor.
Exactly. Now, to do this right, we have to find a very good olive oil and an extra and one of the best aged balsamic vinegar. So what I'm going to do is, this is one of our Agriscaping affiliates who created this wonderful balsamic vinegar, and this is the extra virgin olive oil that he gave to me to try out, and balsamic vinegar. But all we're going to do is we're going to put in a little bit of oil and a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
You want some salt and pepper in there at all?
Yes, please.
All right.
Sprinkle some salt and pepper for me, honey. Sure. And it's a little bit more stronger hint, okay? And I'm sorry, I forgot to bring my my whisk. But that's the beauty of using your fingers in gloves. So see how rich and beautiful it is? Thick. See that syrupy level?
Yep.
That's how you want it. And you're gonna pour it over. I always recommend working with your fingers and your hands. They feel the delicacy of the tomato much better than trying to use a utensil.
That right now.
Exactly.
That aroma is crazy.
Exactly. Oh, that balsamic vinegar is just fantastic. Oh my goodness. I just wish you could smell this.
Yeah.
Okay. And see how beautiful it is right now, right? Now, guess what? We're gonna kick it up a notch, girlfriend. See all these wonderful
the garlic
flour?
Yeah.
Garlic chive flour.
There you go.
Taste it. It's very garlicky.
Oh my! I've never tried these before.
Yes, try it.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that wonderful? We're gonna take this.
Yeah,
And add some beautiful flowers to the whole thing. Just easily pull it out. Do whatever you can. Get those petals. Drop it in there. Right? Right? And then look at that. Look how beautiful. You got purple, you got red, you got orange, you got green. It's a fantastic thing. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do.
Oh yeah, everything bagel for the bruschetta. Oh, that's
You have bagel. Use it as your bruschetta. There you go.
And I just want to let you guys know too that garlic flour is still in my mouth. I still taste that. It's so so good.
And to rinse it off, we're gonna have some citrus later on. But anyway, so you're gonna place it on top. This is, isn't it? You just place it on top and sprinkle on top of the bagels. Okay.
These add a really nice garlic taste to them. I'm gonna add some other ones too.
And beautiful. Look how beautiful the
I
purple
mean,
bounce out on
when you think of bruschetta, you think of red and green.
Exactly.
And this really adds some unique colors to it to step up your bruschetta game.
Exactly.
Can I have a try?
Have a try, honey. That's the whole point. I'm making it for you.
Are you ready? Oh my. That is so good.
Right?